Hello everybody, welcome to Volleyball Shoyan channel. Let's start. When do we use overhead pass? Number 1, to send the pass. Number 2, to send the pass for setter. Number 3, to receive. So how we do it? What are the techniques? Choose the best guard. Standing guard or medial guard. At the bottom guard, we have to use bump. The ball should fit in your hand. When you look at the ball, you see a triangle. Observe this triangle. When you want to pass, your right foot should be ahead of your left foot. The angle of the elbow should not be too much. The ball should be in front of your forehead. Knee and elbow position is important. Receive position. Knees and elbows are bent. And sending position. Knees and elbows are straight. Use of the fingers includes thumb controls and the index finger and middle finger send the ball. Common mistake.